5 attributes of women that excite men. Surely more than once you have wondered what you should highlight to drive a man crazy, right? Many times we think of the breast, sometimes in the butt, sometimes in our eyes, and so on. Although each man is a world and may have particular desires, the truth is that there are some parts of the female body through which men sigh heavily. In this entry, we are going to discover the top 5 attributes of women that excite men. Get ready to conquer. 1. Wide hips. The shape of the female body is, in general, what most awakens a man's desire. Men have a straighter body and, on the other hand, women wear infarct curves that bring men upside down. So, no matter how much we are accustomed to seeing straight as sticks models on fashion runaways, men continue to hallucinate when they see wide hips, a narrow waist, and a sharp curve. So, show your curves without shame and see how you will start succeeding. 2. Long and well-groomed hair. Most men are also seduced by those women who have long, silky hair. It is a part of the woman that greatly enhances her femininity and, in addition, also manages to leave her good smell wherever she goes. 3. A face with little makeup and natural appearance. Although we insist on putting on makeup day and night, the truth is that men like natural women. Going to sleep with a spectacular woman and getting up with a totally different girl is something that scares many men, so, you will notice that they always go for that girl who has a washed face effect and shows her simplicity and naturalness. 5. Show the neckline in a subtle but suggestive way. Obviously, one of the parts that most attract the attention of men is the breasts. But, as the phrase said, suggest better than showing. And it is that imagination can become the most exciting. That's why choosing a good cleavage that enhances the shape of your breasts, that shows and insinuates but leaves a good part for the imagination. 6. Fleshy and appetizing lips. The mouth is the irresistible part we look at when someone who is talking to us is seducing us. It is something instinctive. As soon as we feel attraction, we look at the lips with the desire to kiss them. Therefore, another part of the body that must be taken care of and stands out are the lips. Opt for a gloss that gives an aspect of volume and also gives brilliance to your mouth. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.